Let me create another file. And let's talk about functions. For declaration functions, we're using define keyword, or short version DEF. Let's say function name would be display name. Now in Python it's different, it's colon and print, let's say something. Okay. How to call this function? We need to get out from indentation here and simply call by name. That's it. I'm gonna save it. And let's run it. My name is Michael, I called it. Now, in function, you can print as many as you want, obviously. Whatever you like and how many you like. As soon as you're in the under same indentation. Let me see it. In some languages, this type of function is called void function. Does not return any value. Now, let's create another type of function. Function with parameters. Define function full name. Now, this type of function will have first name parameter and last name. What will function do? It's gonna print full name. Client name is so plus first name plus space and in addition last name. Now I want to call it. I call full name, or I start typing here. Full name, as you can see, is right here. And I need two parameters. Let's say Mike, comma, let's say Smith. Okay. Now we're gonna here, I'll place a comment. Functions, same as methods. Okay. Now I'm gonna save my file, print it again. As you can see here, client name is Mike Smith. Clear. Now let's create another function. Define client record. Let's say it's gonna be a number of arguments. Name. Please remember that Python doesn't have a data types. Name. Let's say estimate, and let's say salary. Now, what I gonna do here? I gonna print here. I'll say double quotes F here client record and here name estimate salary. Now I'm gonna start calling this client record. I say name Mike, estimate salary. Okay. Now I'm going to execute all three functions. Okay, good. This one, display name was void. This one we send parameters. This one we send different type of parameters. Let's say this one was void. This one was with parameters. This one has three different parameters data type. I'll clear the record. Let me check here pronunciation. Very good. Save. And now let's create another type of function with return value. Go back through indentation, define your function. Let's gonna call it client, no, calculate income. Okay. Here I'm going to, let's say, salary, bonus, and premium. Premiums or better, commission. Okay. So what this function gonna do? It's gonna return. You can see it's a keyword. Return salary plus bonus plus annual commission, sale commissions. That's it. So right now I'm going to start calling this one, calculate income. And I'm going to, let's say 65, 1 to 3, bonus 15, 1 to 3, and commission, let's say 12, 1 to 3. Now all of this, because it's return only, it simply returns the result, I need to print it, all of this. So I say print, I'll take all of this in parentheses. Now I'll print something plus, let's say, client income, and all of this is going to return different value because it's gonna be error here, so I need to put it to string, cast it to string, all of this. Let me see, file, save, let me check other spelling, here, client, okay, let's execute it. Here it is. So right now we explored all 4 types of functions. First of all, void function does not return value. It's simply void. It does something, but no other. Next, function with parameters. And by the way, in parameters, you might have a default value like let's say something like that. It's not a problem. So you can call the function itself. Do not supply parameters here. Or simply gonna do it like that. Let's say I'm gonna call it here, full name first, by default parameters. Simply default parameters I'm not supplying here. Okay? Function with parameters. It could be default, it could be simply like I showed you before. Functions with different parameters data types. For example, estimate and salary, it could be double. It could be string, name string. This could be, let's say, estimate roughly. It could be like a long or double, and salary is definitely double. It could be. Okay. So next one, last one, calculate income. 3 parameters with return. It simply returns the value back. So what we're doing here, once again, let me clear. I'll pull it up. Put here, file, save. And let me call all functions, all type of functions, number of times. Very good. As you can see here, this one void. This one with parameters, however, with default values. Right here. This one, same parameters, however, values were applied as Mike Smith here. This one with 3 different parameters and this one with return value. That's it. That's how it works. See you in the next lectures.